Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Yoruba stew with palm oil. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of vibrant palm oil, 2 large onions, and a mix of 4 red bell peppers with 2 Scotch bonnets for that authentic kick. Don't forget 4 ripe tomatoes and your preferred protein, perhaps 1 pound of tender beef or fish. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of uru or fermented locust beans, ready to enhance the flavor profile. Now let's prepare the essential pepper base for our stew. Begin by roughly chopping your 4 bell peppers, 2 Scotch bonnets, and 4 ripe tomatoes. Add 1 of the large onions to this mix. Blend these ingredients together until you achieve a coarse, slightly chunky paste. It is important not to overblend. We want some texture. This vibrant mixture forms the heart of our Yoruba stew, so set it aside carefully. It is time to cook our delicious stew. Heat 1 cup of palm oil in a large pot over medium heat until it is clear and shimmering, about 5 minutes. Carefully add the remaining chopped onion and fry until it turns translucent, releasing its aroma. Now, pour in your blended pepper mixture and 2 tablespoons of uru. Stir well, then let the stew simmer gently for at least 30 to 45 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and the oil to rise. We are almost there. Now, incorporate your pre-cooked protein, like 1 pound of tender beef or fish, into the simmering stew. Stir it in gently, ensuring it is well coated. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and any other spices you prefer. Let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to fully combine. Your rich, aromatic Yoruba stew is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with rice, boiled yam, or fried plantains for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.